Good morning, children. Hope you all are enjoying good health. Warm welcome to mathematics class. Let's continue the chapter Counting in Tens. In the previous class, we discussed how Tiklu the farmer had counted her chickens and found out the number of missing chickens. Let me give you one more such example. Pinky the balloon seller had 6 boxes of balloons in the morning. Among them, 5 boxes contained 10 balloons and 1 box contained 6 balloons. In the evening, Pinky's son came and counted the balloons. He could find 3 boxes, each with 10 balloons and 1 box with 2 balloons. He asked Pinky about the total number of balloons she solved. Children, can you help Pinky to tell the correct number? Here, the number of boxes with 10 balloons is 5. The number of balloons in the 6th box is 6. So, in the morning, there were a total of 56 balloons. But in the evening, there were only 3 boxes of 10 balloons and there was another box with 2 balloons. So, there were only 32 balloons in the evening. Okay, now how would you find out the number of balloons that had been sold out? Let's do this in the same method that we had used in the last class for solving the problem of Tiklu and her chickens. See, there were 5 boxes each with 10 balloons in the morning, but there were only 3 boxes each with 10 balloons in the evening. So, we can say that 2 boxes with 10 balloons were sold out. 2 times 10 make 20. In the other box, there were 6 balloons in the morning, but only 2 balloons in the evening. So, there were a shortage of 4 balloons, which means 4 more balloons were sold out along with the 20 balloons. 20 balloons plus 4 more balloons make a total of 24 balloons. So, Pinky had sold out 24 balloons on that day. Okay, now let's move on to another problem. Lali has 97 different colored beads. She is going to make a necklace out of it. She wants to keep 10 beads in each necklace. Can you help Lali to find out the number of necklaces that she can make out of these 97 beads? We can split the number 97 into 9 tens and 7 ones. So, Lali can make 9 necklaces. 7 beads will be left out with her. Now let's keep the given 36 cubes in the given boxes so that each box contains only 10 cubes. Here we need to keep 10 cubes in each box. So, after keeping 10 cubes in the first box, there will be 26 cubes. Again, if we keep 10 more cubes in the second box, then there will be 16 cubes. Again, we have to keep 10 cubes in the third box. Now we are left out with 6 cubes. So, the number of boxes each with 10 cubes is 3. Remaining cubes 6. These are ones. Therefore, there will be 3 tens plus 6 ones cubes. That means 30 plus 6 will make 36 cubes. Now, children, can you find out the total number of leaves fallen on this floor? How will you find it out? Just recall how you kids helped the old farmer to count the carrots. You can solve this problem in the same way. So, What you have to do at first is you need to group the given things as the group of tens. So you will get 6 groups of 10 leaves. How many leaves are left out here? Yes, 7. 6 groups of 10 leaves make 60. And when you add 7 more leaves to it, it will make 67. Let's solve another problem. How many bunches of 10 flowers each can you make using 75 flowers? Here also you need to group the flowers as the bunches of 10. So, after grouping, we can see that there are 7 bunches with 10 flowers each and there will be 5 flowers left out too. Children, I think now you can represent a 2-digit number in terms of tens and ones without much difficulty, can't you? Okay, let me give you some example. In the story of Tiglu, we had seen that 54 is splitted as 5 tens and 4 ones. 43 is splitted as 4 tens and 3 ones. Likewise, in the case of balloons, we splitted 56 as 5 tens and 6 ones, 32 as 3 tens and 2 ones. 24 is splitted as 2 tens and 4 ones. In the case of beads, we have splitted 97 as 9 tens and 7 ones. 36 cubes are splitted as 3 tens and 6 ones. 67 leaves are splitted as 6 tens and 7 ones. And at last, we have splitted 75 flowers as 7 tens and 5 ones. So, how will you split the number 97? Yes, 9 tens and 7 ones. Then 88? Yes, 8 tens and 8 ones. Okay, now we can represent a 2-digit number on this. Children, no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Is so.